Hi everyone, welcome back to Talk Easy English. Today, we're going to learn a simple and fun English conversation about shopping. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and improve your English step by step.
Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm looking for a t-shirt.
Sure. What color would you like?
I'd like a blue one, please.
Here you go. What size do you wear?
Medium, please.
This one is medium. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please. Where is the fitting room?
It's right over there.
After trying, it fits well. How much is it?
It's $15.
Okay, I'll take it.
Great. Would you like to pay by cash or card?
Card, please.
Thank you. Here's your receipt. Have a nice day.
Thank you, you too.
Great job, everyone. You've just learned how to talk while shopping in English. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English listening practice. See you in the next video.